mobile. I assume it's Hotel Zulu 1, I think. Hotel Zulu 1, Tango Tango stroke mobile. Is that correct? Go ahead.
Over. Hotel Zulu 1. Hotel Zulu 1. Tango Tango stroke mobile. My name is Ali, QSL.
Okay, Hotel Zulu 1, Tango Tango mobile in Saudi Arabia from Kilowatt 3 Charlie Radio, K3 Charlie Radio. Wow, what a nice contact here. What a nice contact. And you're coming in about 4 by 9. 4 by 9. 4 by 9 into the state of Pennsylvania. The state of Pennsylvania. And my name is Jim. Japan, India, Mexico, Jim. So 4 by 9, there's a lot of static right now. But you got a good signal from the mobile. I'm quite surprised. Hotel Zulu 1, Tango Tango. I think I got that correct, mobile from Kilowatt 3 Charlie Radio.
Over. Thank you, the report and the QSO. Nice to meet you, my friend. Big signal station mobile. 5 and 9 plus 20 dB your signal. 5 and 9 plus 20 dB your signal. Station me, station mobile. Many thanks, the QSO. Good luck and good day. And goodbye, love. Good DX 73 kilowatt 3 kilowatt 3 Charlie Romeo Hotel Zulu 1 Tango Tango stroke mobile QSL.
Okay, thank you for the QSL of 5 and 9. You said strong signal 5 and 9. But it's quite difficult with the static. It's quite difficult with the noise that we're getting here. But amazing. How much power are you running? How much power are you running? Over.
About what my transceiver station mobile 200 watt 200 whiskey. My antenna company Diamond all band model Sierra Delta 330 QSL.
Okay, 200 watts. Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much, and quite a beautiful contact. And Nick, we thank you for relaying. Thank you for relaying that he was calling. Okay, I'll say 73, and very safe driving in Saudi Arabia. Hotel Zulu 1 Tango Tango / mobile from Kilowatt 3 Charlie Radio. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good luck and good day. All the best. And 73. Bye bye. مع السلامة حبيبي.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, thanks, Nick. I appreciate that.
باي باي حبيبي 73.
Okay, QRZ.